Hey Geek, so I've been traveling internationally for about 8 months now, and when it comes to the one bag that I'm traveling with for this entire trip, it's this one right here. This is the Tomtoc Navigator 40 liter, and it is by far the best value for money because at the time that I bought this bag, this was around $80. It's now around $90. And I can't think of a bag at this price range which gives you quality and features that this bag does. And it has allowed me to travel for 8 months to multiple countries. And this is a bag that I highly recommend to anybody who's thinking about traveling, whether it's domestic and international, plus who don't want to break the bank, nor do they want to sacrifice quality. So let's go ahead and take a look at this Tomtoc. This is a really awesome bag. And so this is my current travel setup that I've been using for international and domestic travel. This is the Tomtoc Navigator. This is 40 liters. This is by far the best all-around value. It's currently around $90 US, so for less than $100 you're getting a really great bag. Very high quality, has a lot of great features, along with YKK zippers. I can't tell you how important that is, especially when you're overpacking it like I am. But at the same time, I have no problems whenever I'm checking in pretty much all domestic airlines. International, it depends, but if I do run into a situation where I'm not able to bring this in, I have to check it in, I still have my everyday carry, my Osprey Daylite 10 liters, and this is where all the important stuff goes in: my computer, accessories, chargers, things that I can't live without. So I have this with me at all times. But this combo right here has allowed me to travel for 8 months internationally and also domestic as well. And the overall package price of this is around $150 US. So $90 for this, about $50, and after tax and everything, it's about 150 bucks. And it's just really worked well for me for all this time traveling. And so if you are on the lookout for something like this, along with getting great quality at a wonderful price, then I think this is a great combo for a lot of travelers out there. And if this is a combo that you want to get yourself, then I will leave affiliate links in the description area below. I do appreciate if you buy through those links. And if you want to see more of my travel videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. Okay, so let's see what we have in my one bag travel. And it is fully packed, as you can see here. It's approximately 30 pounds, so definitely heavy on my back. So I had to walk with this probably over 30 minutes, and it was not comfortable at all. But let's go ahead and see what we have. And so I'm gonna start off with the duffel bag area because this is the one where I put the most stuff, and it is the easiest one to open. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And I actually have another bag. This is a smaller everyday carry. I highly recommend that you get one because you don't want to be carrying around your big bag with you all the time. And I'm not going to take this stuff out of here. I have a whole bunch of different items in here. So toiletries, stuff like that I have in here. I also have some additional cables and stuff. So what I've done here is I basically put them in plastic Ziploc bags. And I do have some additional plugs here as well. So that's what's going to be in there. But whenever I am out and about, I'll probably be putting just some things like my laptops and stuff. Just got a shirt here. And here is my clothes. I got 2 cubes here. This big one has my shirts, my shorts, my pants. And then this smaller one is for my boxers and socks. And then I have some other toiletries right here. And a razor or clippers. And then I have an umbrella because it definitely rains here. Plus, I also have a tripod selfie stick. This is super important for me. And here I just have some plastic bags to put clothes in as well. So that is that portion. And I'm going to show you the other things that I have here. Okay, so now I have an overhead shot using my selfie stick / tripod. So as I showed you earlier, I've already got all the main stuff out. And then here, I actually have some more accessories. So I have a digital scale. I highly recommend you get one, especially if you're going to be traveling on a lot of different planes. I have my portable charger here, Anchor Slim 10,000. And then I have some really important items here. I actually have 2 of these. These are universal adapters. These are must-have. I have 2 of them. So this one is the Tessin, but then here I also have a Epica right here. But the Tessin actually has more power. And then I also have this Nebo flashlight. It goes super bright. So I'd highly recommend that as well. It's the Nebo Torchy. And that's it for that. I'm going to leave that in there. But then here's probably the most important thing, because without this I wouldn't be able to do what I do. So I have this carabiner here for security. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. And here is my laptop right here. And I have this in a sleeve right here. As you can see here, I have my Framework 13 laptop. And then I also have a monitor. If I remember correctly, I think this is a 15-inch monitor. So this is a must-have, especially if you're going to be working as you're traveling. All right, so this is everything that I have in my one bag, and technically it's 2 bag with my everyday carry EDC. So this is an Osprey Daylite, and my bigger bag is a Tomtoc 40L. And even though the bag is heavy, it does provide me with all the things that I need to be able to travel while being able to work as well. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you pack, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.